Okay, my name is Ayodeji. I'm a pharmacy assistant and I work in a pharmacy.
Okay.
Business has been operating for close to 30 years, if I'm not mistaken. Because,
30 years.
yes, my boss is like an uncle to me. So, quality,
Quality.
quality drugs.
Okay, so
On a daily basis, we spend like a minimum of 2,000 on four. And if you calculate that
30 days.
by 30 days, that's like a lot of money
Okay,
on
so
fuel alone. This place is uncomfortable to stay in when there's no light. That's one. Two, like I said earlier, some drugs are in the fridge and they should remain not frozen but cold in that temperature to conserve the compounds they are made of. That break in cold chain happens when there's no light, maybe there's power outage or something. It makes the drug to lose its efficacy when that happens. Currently, we're running on solar. In the last 2 days, because I've been away from the office for a while, so in the last 2 days we've been on solar, and we'll be there. Even currently, I'm not sure there is light. We're on solar. We're running on solar, and the difference I noticed is, but with this, the fridge is on, the bulbs can be on. In short, I can put on all the fans here, and it won't even look as if there's so much power on it or load, as the case may be. Maybe for 5 days or let me say a minimum of 10 days. So not only save the money we would have used to buy food, we also save the money we would have used to buy IKEDC units. So we're saving in like 2 places being on the solar. There's no noise pollution. You can't hear any. If it was a drain that was outside, I'll probably be hearing the noise of the drain. No matter how soundproof or noiseless the company that made the gen might have said it is, you still hear it running. With this, there's no noise pollution. We can enjoy power without noise, and we can also save costs at the same time. Thank you for providing such a wonderful service. All cloud energy, powering productivity and energizing movement.